The semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem refers to the various industries and businesses that make up the process of creating a semiconductor, including companies that design, manufacture, and test semiconductors, as well as the companies that provide equipment, materials, and services to the semiconductor industry. The design of a semiconductor is done by companies called semiconductor design houses, otherwise known as IC design houses or fabless companies, or also integrated device manufacturers, otherwise known as IDMs. And these are companies like Intel, onsemi, Qualcomm, Broadcom, AMD, Nvidia, and many more. They create designs for chips using computer-aided design, otherwise known as CAD software, from companies like Siemens, Cadence, and Synopsys, and then send those designs to semiconductor foundries like TSMC, Global Foundries, UMC, etc. for fabrication. Semiconductor foundries are companies that manufacture semiconductors using the designs provided by the IDMs and IC design houses. They have specialized facilities called fabrication plants, otherwise known as fabs, that use a process called photolithography to etch patterns onto silicon wafers, creating the individual transistor and all other components that make up a semiconductor. Once the semiconductors are fabricated, they are then tested and packaged by companies called assembly and test houses, like Amkor, UTAC, ASE. They test the semiconductors to ensure they meet the specifications and quality standards, and then package them in a way that makes them easy to integrate into electronic devices. Additionally, there are companies that provide equipment, materials, and services to the semiconductor industry. Equipment companies like ASML, KLA, Lam Research, Tokyo Electron, and Applied Materials supply the machines and tools used in the fabrication process, while material companies such as Resonac, Sumco, Merck, and DuPont provide the chemicals and other materials used in the process. Equipment companies and vacuum pump suppliers such as KLA, Applied Materials, Lam Research, Tokyo Electron, and then also Edwards Vacuum, DAS Environmental Systems, and Pfeiffer also provide maintenance, repair, and other services to the semiconductor industry. In addition, consumer-facing companies that design their own chips are world-recognized brands such as Apple, Tesla, and many more. Critical logistics also plays a huge role in supporting the ecosystems, and there are companies such as Airspace and CNW to support the ecosystem. Overall, the semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem is a complex and interdependent network of companies and industries that work together to bring new semiconductor products